Greeting guys, so welcome back. So in this video we'll be seeing how to run GGUF models from HuggingFace using Ollama. And GGUF is GPT generated unified format which have emerged as the de facto standard file format for storing large language models for inference. So we are starting to see a lot of models in this format on HuggingFace. Many of them are uploaded by the blog. So one cool thing about GGUF model is that it's super easy to get them running on your own machine using Ollama. So in this tutorial, we will be going to see how we can download GGUF model from Hugging Face and run it locally. So if you see, there are like over 1,000 models on Hugging Face that match the search term GGF, but we are going to like download the broad Mistral Lite 7B GGF model. So we will do this using the Hugging Face Hub CLI, or you can directly go into the repository here as you see, and you can go to files and you can download the model directly as well. So if you see in the command line, we have put a Hugging Face CLI to download the appropriate model, and also make sure that you have already installed a Hugging Face Hub in your existing environment. So if you see here, so the download have got started. So make sure that you specify the name of the GGF file that you want to download, and then otherwise it will download all of them. So you can find the list of models like to choose from on the files and versions page that in from the Hugging Face repository. So this file is over like 7 GB in size. So connect your Ethernet cable if you're like going to try this at home. And once it's done, you will have the file in your download directory. So let's wait for the model to get downloaded. So for to install Ollama in your local machine, I have already did a tutorial on this topic, and you can go to the link above here, then watch it for to like install the Ollama in your local machine. Once we download our model, let's start Ollama. So if you see, we have already installed Mistral in it. Let me uninstall it in order to like not to get any displays error. So Ollama remove Mistral. So this I have deleted the model, I mean existing model, Mistral. Sorry. Now what we're gonna do is we will be creating a Ollama model using a model file Mistral Lite that we have downloaded recently here. So for to do that, let me open the terminal in this folder. So where our model file resides. Okay, for example. So let's see what's inside our model file. Let me go here. So if you see, we have added from in the path to the model file, which is here in the download folder. So let me quit. And now we will be using this model file to create the model in Ollama. So for to do that, you have to use this command, which is Ollama create Mistral Lite, as we will be trying to install Mistral Lite model with the file name model file. So now it just started to like pull the model into Ollama. So now the writing is success, and we can see whether it's installed properly or not using Ollama list. So if you see the Mistral Lite model that we have created with 4.4 GB of memory is there in our Ollama. Test this model with Ollama. We can do Ollama run. So the name of the model Mistral Lite in our case. So let's ask a simple question like what is machine learning, for example. So let me run this query. So it just started to give us the response. So we are like currently running the Mistral Lite 7B GGF model, okay, which is this one. For example, let me go here. model, you can download the GGF model from HuggingFace using the command that I have like provided earlier, and then you can use this file to create a new model in your Ollama. So with this done, like you can use asitop for like monitoring the performance Apple Silicon Max that helps like track system resources like CPU, GPU, and memory, and then energy usage in real time. So we can install this by doing pip install asitop. As it's already installed in my current environment, it's saying like requirement is already satisfied. Let me run sudo asitop. Just ask for the password. Let me provide the password. Yeah, so it just started the reading. So now we will be running our install light model with the same question like here. So using asitop alongside Ollama helps you like monitor the impact of like running LLMs on your local machine, and it ensures that resources are like used efficiently and prevent overheating or excessive power drop, and also provides actionable insights to tweak configurations or model parameters for optimal performance on Apple Silicon. I hope it will be useful in your LLM journey, and yeah, please do let me know about all your questions in the comment section below, and do subscribe to our channel. In the way you'll be get notified whenever I upload a new video or tutorial. And until then, this is Abunya. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.